Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
All right, let's get a check on our weather. We're expecting some showers this afternoon and then more tomorrow. In fact, we have a next weather alert, right?
Yeah.
Next weather alert for midday tomorrow and then for the afternoon. I'm thinking that's when the heaviest downpours will occur. It's interesting because the Weather Prediction Center also has us at a threat for flash flooding on Thursday as well. What we're going to do here at Next Weather is we're going to hold off and see how things come together tomorrow. If we get enough heavy rain, of course, that sets the stage for additional potential flooding heading into Thursday. One day at a time, as we like to say. Let's check in Next Weather radar. Boy, it is busy here. The one thing it has done, remember yesterday I showed you that canopy of clouds too far away from us? That has allowed temperatures to manage in the mid and upper 80s. A big difference as far as that goes. As far as the rainfall, again, the thunderstorms are right over the Everglades, but they're so close. You can see here across extreme southern Dade. I mean, it is loud afternoon. You are hearing all this thunder that is emanating from this cluster that is still just to the west of the metros here. There is a little boundary there. We could slide further to the east and we could get hit here, but I think for the most part that thunderstorm, which is pretty significant right now, is going to rain itself out about where it is. And then further to the north we have this little boundary here, but that's not a big deal. That's just some showers that have developed along it across the western parts of Broward here, heading into Parkland as well, where you had some earlier showers and storms, but for the most part not going to be heavy. In fact, next with the rain tracker the rest of tonight, still the action. It's that southeast wind, right? You can see just a missing block of rain here, and that's because our steering currents favor the Gulf. If we had a southwest wind, well, we'd be talking about a lot of alerts ongoing right now. That's not going to be the case for the rest of tonight. So it's a stormy setup, and this is the reason we get this little plume of tropical moisture that's going to be headed in. Plus, we're going to add some instability to the atmosphere here. What we have is not a surface low, which is what you would monitor closely in the tropics this time of year, but this is about 15,000 feet up. It's an upper low, and what it can do, it can generate or enhance shower and thunderstorm activity that's already going. And as I track it for you, you'll be able to see it kind of moves right south of us, and that puts us on that northeastern edge. So that is certainly going to play a role, and then it'll fizzle out as we head through the end of the week, making room for some Saharan dust, and we'll start drying things down. But before that happens, our next weather alert for Wednesday, it is a flood threat. I'm not expecting a severe weather, but the potential for 2 rounds of heavy rain that could result in some localized flooding. It's not going to be widespread. As I said, it's a level 1 of 2. It is officially as well in effect for Thursday as far as the flash flood threat. As I said, we'll wait to see what happens tomorrow. We get enough heavy rain, and we'll call it there. As far as next weather rain track, you'll be able to see the rest of the evening pretty quiet, and then heading into tomorrow, watch the showers and storms roll in here. That's midday, and then we'll get another surge, a bit of a break. That actually will give sunshine to the afternoon and destabilize things even more, setting up for this secondary, I think, more significant round coming up for Wednesday at around 7 o'clock. So that's something we'll be watching for. And as far as accumulation through the day on Wednesday and into Thursday, we could end up with 1 to 2 inches, but the bulk of the heavy rainfall is going to be to our west. Quick tropical update for you. Nothing to talk about in the tropics, Saharan air, and a lot of wind shear out there keeping us nice and protected. So again, next weather alert for tomorrow, and then rain chances holding at 50% on Thursday. We'll start diminishing that. Looks great for Father's Day weekend. Warm and humid, but mostly dry into Sunday.